Welcome to ExamPadi. In this video, we will learn about climate change. Climate change refers to a long term of shift in temperatures and weather patterns. This shift may be natural, that is through variations in the solar cycle, and also can be a result of human activities like burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. The major downside of the use of fossil fuel is pollution. Burning fossil fuels generates greenhouse gas emissions that acts like a blanket wrapped around the earth, trapping the sun's heat and raising temperature. Many people think climate change mainly means warmer temperature, but the temperature is only the beginning of the story, because the earth is a system where everything is connected. Changes in one area can influence changes in all others. The consequences of climate change now include, amongst others, intense drought, scarcity, severe fire, rise in sea level, flooding, melting polar ice, catastrophic storms, and declining biodiversity. Climate change can affect our health, ability to grow food, housing, safety, and work. Some people are already more vulnerable to climate impacts, such as people living in small islands, nations, and other developing countries. Conditions like sea level rise and saltwater intrusion have advanced to the point where whole communities have had to relocate, and protracted droughts are putting people at a risk of famine. You can lessen the impact of climate change by making choices that help advance solutions and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Here is a list of simple things you can do about climate change. 1. Turn off lights in empty rooms. 2. Plant trees. 3. Reduce the use of plastic. 4. Unplug your computer, toaster, and other appliances when you are not using them to avoid sucking up needless energy. 5. Don't waste water. It takes energy to produce water, so the more water you save, the more energy you save. Subscribe to ExamPadi to gain access to a wide variety of learning resources. Bye!